Hi guys, Will here from WP Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So before we get into the video today, I just want to apologize about the audio quality. I've just got a new computer over the weekend and I haven't got an adapter for the microphone that I usually use yet, but hopefully you can bear with me just for today. So it's Monday the 14th of October today, and if you follow me on Twitter, you'll have seen me share just a very quick tweet in regards to the USDCHF bias bar that we have in front of us this morning. Hopefully this will act as a heads up for those of you who trade this strategy alongside me, and I'm going to take this trade with you live today, and we're going to be using the higher time frame bias bar strategy to actually take this trade. Now, before we go any further and I get this order placed, I'd just very quickly like to point out that I won't be sharing the exact strategy rules in full with you in this video, but if you would like to learn the strategy, you can download the strategy guide over at the Join My Community page on my website. I'll put a link to that in the description for you. Right, so let's see where the strategy is telling us to get short today. 9975, okay. Let me get this marked on the chart and we'll get this order placed. Now, I'm hoping that as this is a 4-hour bias bar, we can get down to target today, ideally, but if not, I don't mind holding the swing for a day or two. Right, done and dusted. So let's get these off, and it looks like we're coming back upwards towards the order. So hopefully there won't be too much waiting around to do today. Let's get the target placed down at the prior low. And that's us looking for roughly 2.3R if we can get down there. Anyway, I'll pause this for now and I'll be back with an update soon. Right, just back, and as you can see, we've been filled short and prices pretty much instantly turned around and started running in our favour, which is brilliant. As the strategy is mechanical though, there's nothing to do here now but sit on our hands, stay patient, and see if we can actually get down to target. So again, I'll pause this for now, and hopefully I'll be coming back to you with an update in an hour or two. Back soon. Right guys, just back, and it's 20 minutes past 10 a.m. now, so still quite early in the session, but as you can see, we've shot down to target today, and we're getting pretty close now, so I'm just going to see if we can push down there, and if we can, I'll get this closed out manually. So whilst we're waiting, for those of you who perhaps don't know anything about the strategy, it's based on one specific bias bar, and we use this to indicate a reversal. And I've built a mechanical setup around this that, as you've seen in all the bias bar strategy videos, tells us exactly where to enter a trade and exactly where to put our stop loss and our take profit, just as you've seen me do here live with you today. It's extremely simple, extremely easy to apply, and again, all we do is place an order and sit on our hands. You don't have to manually close out the trades like I'm waiting to do here either. You can just leave the target to be hit. The only reason I like to try to close out manually is because it's just a bit more exciting for the live trade video than me just showing you the resolution later on. Anyway, let's see if we can get down there. We're not too far off, or we could reverse, but let's see if we can push down there whilst I've got this screen recorder doing its thing. Okay, finger on the trigger. Oh, let's try that again. And right, perfect. And there we go. So that's, what was that? 2.3R, if I remember correctly, and roughly 23 pips in the bank there, which is brilliant. So really good start to the week there. I hope that a few of you with the strategy managed to see my tweet and jump on this trade with me this morning. Just a very quick live trade video for you all today to start the week. I hope that you enjoyed taking another trade with me live today via the Higher-Timeframe Bias Bar strategy. I'll leave it there for today. And as always, trade with edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks, everyone.